Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can use lovable.dev and you can create a beautiful website and you can get a zip of this file. How to do it? So first of all, you can enter any prompt here for a website. So I have entered a simple prompt. I want a single page landing page for WordPress and I just enter it. So let's see what it creates for me. So herein you can see it has created a beautiful website for me. This is a landing page which I had created for me. So to create it, it may take 2-3 hours or 5 hours or more. So it has created for me so quickly. So here you can see it has created a beautiful landing page for me, and you can change it later on as per your requirement. So you can upload this directly to your WordPress, but how to do it? To click on this option, GitHub is showing here at the top, GitHub icon. So just tap on this connect to GitHub, and after that you need to connect to a project, or you can simply go to your GitHub account and you can see everything is transferred here, all abroad loading. After that, what you need to do, you need to click on this option code, code. After click on drag down, and from here you can download a download zip and save it to your system anywhere you want, and you can select any area where you want to save it. And after that, what you need to do, this is the zip file. You need to simply unzip this file, open this file and unzip it, and you need to find your specific file where you can install the files from here. So simply select the file for a theme, and you can see everything is showing. You can see pages are even showing here, images are showing here. So you should have little bit knowledge, and you can look for it. You can see all the images is also uploaded here. Favicon is showing, robot.txt file is showing, everything is showing for you. You just need to upload it to your WordPress. Simply upload the zip file, and it is very easy to upload a zip file. You can see images are also given by them, all the images for your website. You can change these images later on your WordPress website. So I hope you know how to upload it on WordPress. You can simply go to your WordPress website. This is my WordPress website. Herein you need to go to your installation part, like appearances, and click on themes, and it is very easy. Click on add a theme, or you can upload a theme from here. So click on add a theme, and from here you need to upload a theme. Click on this and choose a file and upload that install that zip file. So I hope friends, now you will be able to do it. So it is very useful. In case you find any problem, just mention it in the comment section and make sure to give you reply. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.